Where are we going today?
We're going to Jolly Bike Shop's picnic. Of you, Tracy?
Right, yes. Jolly's, what's about an hour and 20,
Yeah.
hour and 30 from here, depending which way we go. Don't know if you can see. It's a bit of a windy day. Sun's out, so hopefully it won't be too bad. So on our way we'll decide which way we're going, which way the wind blows us.
Yeah.
But yeah. All that blowing about, that was all. And I thought we're the wrong side of the BP, and there was this up here, and then I thought, should we go that way instead of that way? And I put the postcode in and see and start going Tavistock way. And then... Shit me!
They were bad. A30 was shut. 8:38. A30 was crap. Oh. So we had a brilliant idea. Let's come across the moors. Well, yeah. Probably the windiest day of the year, is it?
Blowing a gale. So with both of us on that, we're all over the road.
You're doing amazing.
That's not my riding. That's the wind.
You're doing really, really well.
We're in quite a sheltered bit here, so you probably hardly hear it, but yeah, going along it's been quite bad. And it started off sunny, and yeah, it's looking like, I hope the picnic's going all right. I think we're about an hour late at the minute. But yeah, we'll get there. But had to stop off. Came this way the other day with the MCO riders after the national rally. So yeah, we didn't stop off to take any photos, so we have today. So I'll drop those in now. And they're all still here, sat there having their picnic. We stopped at the garage to get some sandwiches.
They had nothing.
Yeah, disaster again. Yeah. There was no sandwiches in there at all. So, hey, yeah, we got a bottle of water.
That's all we need.
So, brought a bottle of water to the picnic.
Non-stop cricket. Oh, he's cheating. Hit the last one, Jason.